Welcome to Sony Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to create a Gmail ID for your email account. First, go to your Google Chrome, type and search for create a new Gmail account. Click on the sign in Google accounts. Here you can see your existing Gmail accounts. To create a new Gmail account, click on that use another account. Here you can click on the create account, and here you can select which account you want, it's personal or work. Just type in the name there, just click on next, and here you have to fill out your date of birth and gender. Here Gmail will show you multiple email ID options. You can also create your own email address by clicking on that option. Input your password and click on next. Here you need to enter your mobile number for the verification process. You have to enter your verification code there and click on next. If you want, you can add your recovery email address as well there. We are almost done. Just drag down and click on I agree. Here you can see your Gmail account interface. You can also personalize your account and add securities to your account using this interface. Please go and get your email account created today. If you find this video is useful, please like the video and leave me a comment. Finally, thanks for watching this video.